When it comes to traveling, one of the biggest challenges can be packing efficiently. With airlines charging extra for checked baggage and limited space in overhead compartments, it's important to pack smart and travel light. One way to do this is by utilizing carry-on hacks to make the most of your limited space. First and foremost, it's important to choose the right carry-on bag. Look for a bag that meets the size requirements of your airline and has multiple compartments for organization. Consider a bag with wheels for easy maneuverability through the airport. When it comes to packing your carry-on, think about what you really need for your trip. Start by making a list of essentials such as clothing, toiletries, and electronics. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space and prevent wrinkles. Use packing cubes to keep your items organized and easily accessible. Toiletries can take up a lot of space in your carry-on, so consider using travel-sized containers or investing in a set of reusable silicone bottles. Remember that most airlines have restrictions on liquids, so make sure your toiletries comply with these regulations. When it comes to electronics, only pack what you will actually use. Consider bringing a versatile device such as a tablet or laptop that can serve multiple purposes. Don't forget to pack chargers and adapters in your carry-on so you can stay connected while on the go. Another carry-on hack is to wear your bulkiest items on the plane. This includes things like jackets, boots, and hats. Not only does this free up space in your bag, but it also helps you stay warm and comfortable during your flight. If you're traveling with a companion, consider sharing items to save space. For example, you can pack one set of headphones or a single charger that you can both use. This can help reduce the amount of clutter in your carry-on and make traveling more efficient. When it comes to packing snacks for your flight, choose lightweight and non-perishable options. Nuts, granola bars, and dried fruit are all great choices that won't take up much space in your bag. Remember to pack an empty water bottle that you can fill up after passing through security to stay hydrated during your flight. Finally, don't forget to pack any important documents or valuables in your carry-on. This includes things like your passport, wallet, and phone. Consider investing in a travel wallet or pouch to keep these items secure and easily accessible. By utilizing these carry-on hacks, you can travel light and smart on your next trip. Remember to pack efficiently, choose the right bag, and only bring what you truly need. With a little planning and organization, you can make the most of your limited space and enjoy a stress-free travel experience.